How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There might be few reasons why TikTok shop is not showing for you. First, the shop feature is region limited and may not be available in your country, or your account or app may have disabled the shop tab due to policy restrictions, or it might be due to you're using an outdated app. So, in order to fix this, firstly go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for TikTok. And make sure your TikTok application is updated to its latest version. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app. If not, it would show open instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, open TikTok and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the settings and privacy option. Tap on that and scroll down and navigate to the shop option. Further, go ahead and toggle on the TikTok shop on if available for you. This step restores shop visibility. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and force quit TikTok along with all the apps running in the background. Now reopen TikTok app and see if the shop option is available for you or not, as this refreshes the app. Next, make sure your SIM card, TikTok account locale, and app settings all match your location, as discrepancies may block the shop feature. And lastly, if you operate a shop account, ensure it's properly linked via TikTok Seller Center or Solar Center. Unlink your official account from default settings and relink correctly to activate the shop. So this is how you can fix TikTok shop not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.